It was. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
See, Vivek. See, like if you see this example here, learning hooks. Okay. Now in this example, you can see the before here. Okay, and I'm writing this function here. Okay. So what happened? Like in this function, it's ended here. Okay. So like what happened? This is first see the way of writing the before and hook, like as Obey said, like whatever be the condition you want to put before starting the test cases using it block. Okay, so before that, if you want to execute something before to start the it block, we use that function inside the before hook. Like for example, there is one function like you want to clear the cookies before your test case get started. So what you will do, you will just put one condition that I want to clear the cookies whenever my first test case started, or any test cases I have to start, I have to clear my cookies. So put that condition in a before hook. So actually hooks are used to set your condition. Got it? So this before is used whatever the condition you are putting inside the before. So it will run before all the test cases get run. After when you put the condition after hook, so it will execute it once all your test cases get executed. And before each and after each. Before each means for every test cases it will run. And after means after test cases it will run. So see, in my test case, I am having two it block here. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes.
First it block and the second it block. So in the first it block, I have written should visit the page. So this one is cy.log first at block and then visit the page. And in the second it block, I am having dummy block second. So you can take any it block here. Okay, and these are the condition. So basically, when you want to run any test cases, if you want to have something pre-condition setup, you can use in hooks. For instance, suppose if I go into deep, for example, I want to open one website before every test cases. So there is no need to put again and again the website. What I'll do, I'll use the before, I put that one. So whenever my test case get run, so before it block, it will always use whatever is inside the before command. Got it?
Yes.
Now what I'll do, I'll just give comment here. I just comment here for this it block. And now I am only using first it here. Okay, now I save it. Okay, now I just go and run Google Notes.
Actually, sir, the same condition we can apply by using the it block, but to make it optimize, we can add this four conditions.
Exactly. Optimization, correct. Now see here you will get more idea, once I run this one code. Now Air India website get open now. Now Google also get open here. Can you see the Google? First Air India, then Google. Okay. Before Air India and Google, you can see here. See first what happened. The before all. So like here you can see should visit the page. Can you see? So what is should visit the page? Go up. You can see should visit the page. See this it block. Can you see? Should visit the page. Okay. Now once it go to the that it block should visit the page. It comes to hook before all. So in that before all means before hook, this log 30 is there. Now where is log 30 here? If I go up, can you see here? A 10 plus 20. So C by log A 30. And I'm just printing C by dot log before here. So log 30 and log before get displayed here. Not just I'm just trying to explain you this before hook. So just tell me you are getting or not. Hello, Deepa, Vivek, Obe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I understand.
See, it haven't executed this cva.log first blog and airindia.com. It haven't displayed this thing, Before that, it come here, should visit the page. It displayed this line, but it never go here. It just go check it out whether hook is there or not. He got hook before hook. So before hook always get executed before the IT block. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? See the second thing here now. Now we are here. Now before hook completed, now we come here before each. Uh, Before each means what? Now we have only one it block. If we have suppose 100 it block, so before each it block, it will run this one. This before all executed only once. Suppose you have 100 test cases or 100 it block you have, and whatever you are defining inside the before, so it will execute it only once. Then all the it block. But in before each, it will get executed before each and every test cases, or you can say before in each IT block. Clear it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? Vivek?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Obe, you also clear, correct, Obe?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now see, in the before each, I got result log 20 and log before each. So see here, where is before each? Now this one is before each. So here 20 and before each get printed here. Got it. Now what happened next? Now we come here. The first eat block get executed here. First IT block, then airindia.com get displayed. See here. This first IT block. First IT block get executed and airindia.com get executed. Got it. Now what happened? After that, Google get executed, correct? After this it block, you can see Google get displayed here. So why Google after it? Because we define this Google inside after function here. Can you see the after here? After hook means what? Once the it block get executed, it will check for after hook. So I put here Siva to visit and I just put here constant A in that 10 plus 50, 60 and after. So see here what happened now. After this post, log 20, and after each, and this one is log 60 and log after. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
See, in this after google.com 60 and log 10 get displayed here, and after each means after each and every test cases it get displayed 20 and log a. So see, first it display the 20 and log a. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This one is first. After it log get displayed, then it will come for after each. After each, it will go for after all. Google, and then log 60 and after. So in this way, it will execute these hooks. Clear? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think no one getting what I taught just now. All are keep silence. Is it?
So on Monday, Friday, I have office, so I just came.
Yeah. Correct. You have office today. Correct. Actually, I forget to take class by 10 p.m. I told you, no, on Monday and Friday I'll take on 10 p.m. Correct?
Yes, but I think it is not possible for Obey to join at 10.
Okay. So okay, so Deepa and Obey Vivek, are you getting me what I have just explained you?
Theoretically,
Yes, I
I
understand.
understand, but sir, but in actually, when I try to like practice, then I think there is a lot of error or
Okay, yeah,
uh, doubts.
yeah. You need to practice it. Like actually, it's not a hard. It's nothing. Is that like what happened? Whatever be the condition you want to execute before each block, you just or you want that condition should get this. Like for example, if I write some code to you, okay. See what happened. For example, there is one. Suppose if I take the example of before hook, okay. Suppose there is one condition, okay. There is one condition in which you want to execute execute
In a
some.
similar, in a simple, in a simple explanation, you know, each time you are creating an it function block, if you are writing it for like any website, you must write visit the website on each it block, right? So in order to avoid repetition of those visit website on each it block, it's better you just do before each hook. Use before each hook
Okay,
for the website so that you will not
yeah,
be repeating it.
correct. Yeah, okay, go ahead. Sorry to interrupt you. Go ahead.
Yeah. So if you are writing, like if you have like five it blocks, right? In each it block, you must write visit. For example, you are testing on Google. So on each it block, you will write visit Google, right? cy.visit Google. So in order to avoid visit cy.visit Google in each it block, it is easier and more like professional. Like the best practice is use before each block visit cy.visit Google. Then in that case, it will avoid It will make you avoid writing visit, visit, visit in each block.
Correct. Okay, what I'll do, I'll take you one example of each and every hook. I'll take example, so you'll get more idea. What I'm doing. So first we'll take the before hook. Okay, so I'll just write here describe. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just inside the describe, I'll write before hook here. I don't know, it's not running at my site. Is this I am getting the problem here. Cannot find the type definition file Cypress in the older version is working fine. Okay, let it be. Let it. Now I'll write before here. Okay, now this is my hook before hook. Okay, now inside this before hook, I just want to visit Google page. So I write here visit. Okay, visit. I write here Google. Okay, HTTPS google.com. Okay, I'll just write on w. Okay, now what I'll do, is it fine or I'm making some mistake here? Okay, let it be only google.com. Now what I'll do, I'll take one it block here. I'm getting still it block. Hello, this one should be double quote comma. Now see inside this it, I am just again I want to open one website cbar.visit. For instance, I want to open the amazon.com. Okay, got it. Now see here in the before I am having the cbar.visit here, and in the it block I am having visit amazon.com. So I am defining this two different websites here. I want to execute these two different, but one is in the before hook and another in the it block. So what happened, like if I am having 100 it block, so for executing all 100 before it open this Google, then it will execute one by one it block. This is a function of before function. Before means it comes first, and before means for each and every it block. Now see here, like if I want to execute this one, see, so tell me what is the result I'll get. Yeah, anyone?
First it will open the Google page, and
Okay,
after that it open Amazon.
okay. See, Google get open here. No, Amazon get open here. Can you see, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I'll do, I'll change to before to after. Then what happened? Any guess?
What?
I
First it
use
will
huh?
on, and after that it will open the Google page.
First it will execute the 8 block. Then
Then after block.
see. Now you get the error here. What is the error you're getting?
Uncaught exception.
Yeah, uncaught exception handling. So that one is common will get. So you do just go up, copy this code, make a habit of writing this one for each and every time. Put in the describe, save all. Now Amazon get open. Now Google. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now see if I am having see in this version I told you before that I cannot use more than 2 int block because of this preserve cookies which I want to explain you later on, correct? If I take one example of again one int block, see what result you will get now. Buy, and I want to open this Amazon Flipkart. Okay, now I'm having 2 int blocks. Can you see? So see what happened now. Is there any spelling mistake for Flipkart? Okay, it's K. See guys, what happened? Can you see here?
What happened?
See, I use here after hook.
Okay.
Okay. Now it will come here. Hello. It
Yeah.
will open the Amazon.com.
Yeah.
It will go to second int block. It will open the Flipkart. Then in the third time, after all, once it visited all the block, it come here in the hook after, and then it will visit this google.com.
Okay.
So the sequence is like Amazon, Flipkart, and then Google. See,
Yeah.
now see once again. See, sequence is what?
Yeah.
Amazon.
If it is before, if it is before
Yeah.
then
I'm not
Flickr, but since you are using after, it will first of all visit Amazon, Flipkart, and then lastly Google.com.
correct. Correct. See once again. Sequence is like that. First one is Amazon, Flipkart, then Google. See here once again. Amazon, then Flipkart, and then Google. Correct.
Yep.
So what I'll do now, I'll just change the sequence. Instead of after, I put before here. So what happened? Okay, no one tell me. Deepa, can you tell me if I write before here, then what happened? What is sequence? Hello, Deepa.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, you are not catching me exactly what I am doing, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it is not so tough, it's very simple. You just remember this word before each,
I
after
understood
each.
that when we use before each, so before every eat, that before each function will execute.
Exactly.
But
Before
for before, I'm not able to
before
understand.
means suppose I am having 100 test cases, or you can say if I am having 100 it block, okay,
Okay.
and I am having before hook, it means that it will execute first before, and then it will execute all the 100 it block. Got it?
So it is same as before each, no, sir. Then.
Before each means for every it block it will run that one. For
Okay,
instance,
so before
for
means for first each it will execute, right?
yeah,
It
yeah,
will
see,
it will execute only once.
this
Okay, okay,
before
got
mean it will execute only once before it block, and before each means, for example, I'll take the example here. See, I write here before each. Okay, this one is before each. Okay, now what happened? It will execute first this Google, then Amazon, then again Google, then Flipkart.
it. Okay, got it, sir. Got it.
Now see here, Google, then Amazon, Google, then Flipkart. See what happened now. Now Google, now Amazon, again Google, and then Flipkart. Clear?
Yes.
Now what I'll do, see you just now you have learned before and before each hook. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll write here after. Now tell me the sequence of after here.
Amazon, Flipkart, then Google.
Exactly. See. Got it? Amazon, Flipkart, and then Google. Now, after each, tell me,
Amazon, Google, Flipkart, Google.
Amazon, Google, Flipkart, Google. Very good. Got it. Now, what I'll do, again, I add one more eat block. For instance, if I want to open here, tell me any website name which you know.
Firstcry.com.
Spelling
FIRST.
F R. Okay,
FIR.
okay. FIR is
Firstcry.
first.com, correct?
Ah,
Okay,
first cry. Cry.
okay. CRY. Okay.
Ah,
Now we have three it blocks, one, two, three, and one after each hook. Okay, so Vivek, can you tell me the result?
Yes, it will first execute Amazon, then after that it will execute Google,
Hmm.
then Flipkart, Google, first try Google.
Okay, great. It is simple or tough?
Simple.
simple.
It's very simple. Like you can make a sequence for this. What you want to execute first. Okay, now I'll make some tricky and Obi will answer me. Okay. Now what happened? I'll remove this one. Hello here. I'll write the test case one. I'll just copy this one. Oh, test case two, test case three. Okay. Now after each, I'll just use here before each hook. Now inside this before each, I just write one constant here, constant A. Now I put some number here, A plus 20. Okay. Now this one is before each. This one is after each. Okay. And again I use before function here. Before hook. It's little bit tricky now. Constant b equal to 40 plus 10. This one is before. Now before I save this one, okay, can you answer what is the sequence of this program? Yes, Obey. Hello. Am I audible, Deepa and Vivek?
Yes, 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 sir, you are audible.
I don't
Sir, can I
know.
give the answer?
Okay, you try, Vivek.
Yes, sir. First, it
Sorry,
will
my
execute the
my
before.
Yeah,
it
one
was
second,
mute. It
Vivek.
was
Yeah, he
mute.
came back. Yeah, Obey, tell me.
Vivek can continue.
Okay.
I've been speaking since. I don't know my speaker, my microphone is mute. You can continue, Vivek.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So first, it will execute the before block.
Uh,
Okay.
okay. This
Before
50.
block. Yes.
Okay, you just
We are.
write down somewhere in your notepad or like in a book.
Yeah. Okay. So currently we are not printing this. We just added. We just
Yeah.
assign this value to the B.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly, exactly. See, yeah, you are correct. So I want to print this one, So I dot c dot log a. Okay, correct. I want to print this one. Okay, yeah. Then I will see y dot log b. Okay, now it will print. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. So first it will print log B B value. Okay.
50.
After that,
Correct?
yes, yes, 50.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, it will print. Can you please just scroll up a little bit? Uh, okay. So after that, it will print 30. Okay.
Okay.
After that, it will print test case 1.
Okay.
After that, it will print uh, this after each block,
Google.
Google.
Okay.
After that, it will print again 30, then
Okay.
test case 2, then Google,
Okay.
then same for test, then same for test case 3 means it will print 50, test case 3 means first cry, and after that it will print after each block.
Okay. Good. Exactly. See the result now. Great. Now see here. What is there? Uh, Before all, log 50, 30 before each. Then again, log 50, 30, the flip card. Then before log 50, 30, and after each. After each. After each. So in this way, we can use hook in our program. So any doubt?
No, I have no doubt.
Okay. So can I give you one assignment?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. So what you do, if you get time, okay? I'm not saying you have to do is compulsory. It's for your practice only, okay? So what you do, use all hooks. Which one? Like before and before each. Okay. After and after each. You and use 10 ID block. Okay. And before what you do, give condition as per your choice. But before executing, just make a note on your notepad or book that whatever you're doing is your sequence is correct or not, it's matching or not once after you run the code. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, you try this one, then it will clear. Because see, as of now, what you are doing is just listening to me, not doing the practical. So I
Yeah.
always said to my students that listening is different thing and doing practical is different thing.
Yeah.
So at least you try to do this one, at least after this class lecture. Otherwise, what happen, you will forget, and in tomorrow session, you learn something new, and you will not able to practice hands-on on these books.
Sure.
Yeah, so do practice, use your hook. Okay, then they will meet on tomorrow. Okay, guys.
Okay. And sir, one more thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir, can you please give one session on how to means store all this means no, means how to reuse the components like we are storing all the components like if these are means reusable, then we can store and use it at multiple files. So means
no,
for
I'm not
if you
getting Vivek. Like, what you want to store exactly? What?
means there are some functions are we means some functions we are repeatedly use. Okay, so we just store this function at one place and we just
Yeah,
access
yeah,
these
yeah.
functions
Yeah,
when
got it, got it, got it. You want to like learn a custom command, correct?
custom command like
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
right.
No, no. We'll tomorrow session we'll do custom command only. Okay.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah. So guys, see, obey. Custom command.
I've not done. Yeah, I know about it, but I've not practiced it.
Actually, what happened? Like there is one function which are repeating everywhere. Okay. So instead of writing every time, it's a little bit tricky. So what you do, you make one custom command and you save it at
Yeah.
your yeah. So that file, I'll explain tomorrow which file. And whenever you need it, just
Yeah,
call that file. So there's no need to
Yes.
write
actually,
on the
actually,
whole code again and again. Okay.
yeah, actually, what happened if when we working on organization platform,
Yeah.
there is already means this Cypress framework is already built. So that time we need to use the custom command that they.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
And sir, we will be covering all types of web element, right? Handling uh, all types of web element.
Like you mean to say like ID, CSS, like
No,
locators?
like text button, radio button, checkbox.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll cover also that one also.
Okay.
Yeah, no worry. Okay. Okay then, guys. Today we'll meet on the same time. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Okay then. Bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir.
Yeah.
Bye.